In this short, we will quickly answer following questions. What are inequalities? Common applications of inequalities. How to visualize inequalities. Properties of inequalities. Let's define inequalities. Inequalities are mathematical expressions that compare two values, or expressions using symbols like less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and not equal to. Common applications of inequalities. In linear programming, inequalities are used to define constraints for optimizing an objective function, such as minimizing cost. Inequalities describe tolerances and limitations, such as safe ranges of operation for systems. Inequalities are used to express relationships, bounding regions on graphs. Inequalities describe ranges of solutions, rather than exact values. Solving equations often involves inequalities, for example, to find the domain or range of a function. How to visualize inequalities. Points within shaded regions satisfy inequality. If inequality uses less than or equal to symbol, border of the shaded region is continuous line. If inequality use less than symbol, then border of the shaded region is dotted line. Properties of inequalities. Transitive property. If A is greater than B and B is greater than C, which implies A is greater than C. Addition and subtraction property. Adding or subtracting the same number preserves the inequality. Multiplication and division property. Multiplying or dividing by a positive number, inequality stays the same. Multiplying or dividing by a negative number, then inequality flips. Symmetry property. If A is greater than B, same thing can expressed as B is less than A. Connection with interval notation. Inequalities represent solution intervals. X greater than 2 denotes open interval, from 2 to infinity excluding 2 itself, and x less than or equal to 5 denotes interval from minus infinity to 5, including 5.